The 2026 Audi Q7 is a luxury SUV that offers a blend of performance, technology, and comfort. It features a bold and aggressive design with signature Audi styling elements, including the large single-frame grille and matrix LED headlights. The interior is spacious and luxurious, with high-quality materials and advanced technology features. The Q7 offers a range of powerful engine options, including a turbocharged V6 and a plug-in hybrid, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. The 2026 Audi Q7 is packed with cutting-edge technology features, including the latest MMI infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a premium sound system. The Q7 also offers a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, enhancing safety and convenience. The 2026 Audi Q7 is a practical and versatile SUV, with ample seating for up to 7 passengers and a spacious cargo area. It offers a comfortable and refined ride, thanks to its advanced suspension system and sound insulation. The Q7 is also well equipped for off-road adventures, with quattro all-wheel drive and adjustable air suspension providing excellent traction and ground clearance. The 2026 Audi Q7 is a premium SUV that offers a compelling combination of luxury, performance, and practicality. It is well suited for families and individuals who demand a high level of comfort, technology, and driving enjoyment. However, the Q7 comes with a higher price tag compared to some of its competitors, and fuel economy may not be as impressive as some hybrid or electric SUVs.